Hi. Hi, how are you, sir? So basically, I'm going to introduce my app. That's Halal Hub. It's about the Halal Restaurant Finder app. Basically, we are 16 members. First, me, Bisma Shokar, I'm the team lead. Then Sumit, Yusuf, Asma Malik, Wasim, and Sana Neas. So basically, I'm going to uh, introduce this app. The problem why we're making this app is because in Australia or non-Muslim countries, it's very difficult to find a halal restaurant. So this kind of app, we can find the 100% halal restaurant in nearby based on our location. It's a one-stop solution for all the halal needs, and the third thing that we are about to focus is a trust. So we basically only approve the listing of 100% halal restaurant in our app. And then the business contact, the market analytics, according to the market, it's like in Australia, it's almost 4%. The population is Muslim. Islam is the second largest religion of this Australia. And then, so that's why we have a strong growth here. Also, there's so many tourism and so many Muslim travel to Australia, and they have this kind of difficulties to find a halal restaurant. So with this app, we can cover this gap, and also in Halal Hub, we're using the trusted verification here. So it basically we're giving the customer a proper trust, and he can, and there is no doubt that of any mistake here. The third is the objective. The objective to make this app is first the user. It should be user friendly, so any kind of user, any age of person, he can easily use this. So we try to make it minimize the UI as much as we can. The second thing is tools and the promotion and businesses we're going to use in this app, and it will promote our business with very well. Also, the same thing, halal verification process. We build a proper halal verification process here, so it can be helpful for us and for all the Muslim Ummah as well, and also for we're using a secure payment system and user verification system for this, so it will be helpful for us. And the last thing is methodology. Methodology for this, we're using a proper AI UI for that, and also we making client feedback, and we enhance the AI and the UI with this, and also we test this app with different stages and by using different tools. Now my next friend Sana will continue with it.
From my name is Sana, and my part is the system requirement and specifications. Here we have the main part of this one is the users role, restaurant owner and admin. Here are the users give us the users have to do the registrations, and then they have give us the review, and the restaurants give the listing, and also the verification of the certification of the halal certifications, and the owner have to approve for these halal certifications or not. The system is a secure or system. There's all things are secure, and the verification and the payment system are also secure and specified. So in the next slide, we have to show the data flow diagram, how it's work. It's a flow between the users, halal hops, and the admin and the restaurant owners. And here the users highlight the process like the registration for the users, and also the restaurant owner is have to listing their product like the menu, and also submit the verification certificate of the halal certificate and also the payment system. But on my behalf, I am handling about the user registrations and the restaurant halal certification registration. So, using that, so we have the interrelation diagram that define the database scheme and the relationship between the core entity, including the user, restaurant, review, certification, payment, and admin. Uh, and this is the flow uh, uh, that's represented by the ASMA.
Hi, it's me, Asma. As two of my friends have clearly explained the basics that on which we are working on our project that is specifically related to halal shop. And now I will explain the ERD diagram, how the relationships are existing between the user, restaurant owner, and the admin side. From this basic diagram, it can be clearly visible that user has different categories or duties he can perform, like he can search the restaurant, he has the ability to view the restaurant details, as well as he can also filter the location or according to their categories. He has the ability to write different kind of reviews and ratings. The middle term is related to the restaurant owner. Owner is dealing with the user and the admin at the same time on both sides. He can receive the notifications from the user side as well as from the admin side. He can update the restaurant listings. He can manage the menus. And the admin can have different like responsibilities, approving or rejecting the listings, managing the users and the certifications. Now, in the next phase of sequence diagram, I will explain about the step-by-step how the workflow of user searching for a restaurant and completing the payment related to app, database payment, gateway, and admin. This is basically the ERD version of this diagram, which is explaining that how different categories are linking with each other. The basics are like owner, user, and the admin side. The owner is having direct relation with the restaurant, and restaurant is creating reviews. So this is the final explanation of diagram.
Hello, my name is Wasim, and I will discuss about the through the user interference and user experience mockups. Our app includes screen like splash, login, map-based search, restaurants details, and the payment integration. The design is clean, modern, and user-friendly to make navigation simple. Most importantly, it's community-driven, focusing on reviews, rating, and halal authenticity to build trust among users. These are the UI and UX mockups of our app. We designed clean and modern screens like splash, login, map-based search, restaurant details, and the payment integration. The interference is simple to use and it's highlight to reviews, rating, and halal authenticity to user can trust the information. Our app includes screens like splash, login, map-based search in restaurant details, and the payment integration. The design is clean, modern, and the user-friendly to make navigation simple. Most importantly, it's community-driven, focusing on reviews, rating, and halal authenticity to build trust among users. That's my topic, and next will be the Yusuf. Sumit.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I'd like to walk you through the structure and resources that are key to our project management approach. At the heart of the project management organization, we have our team leader, Bisma. Bisma's role is crucial in overseeing clients' communication and ensuring that everything is coordinated smoothly across them. Bisma keeps everyone aligned, handles any client-facing concerns, and ensures that the project is progressing as expected. Each member brings their own expertise to the table, and they specialize in critical areas of the project, including analytics. This person focuses on tracking key metrics and data points to ensure we are heading in the right direction. Payment, handling payment interrogation, ensuring smooth financial transactions within the system, UI and UX. This role is responsible for designing an initiative and user-friendly experience. It's all about making user have a smooth interaction with the product. Verification, ensuring that everything works as expected and meet project standard. They are the quality checkers. Next slide is about budget and resources. A successful project requires more than just a great team. It also requires effective management of resources, especially when it comes to cost. Let's break down the key components of our project budget. First, we have development cost. This is where we allocate funds and for the technical work, including mobile coding, UI/UX design, backend services. Next, we have API cost, which includes services like Google Maps and payments gateways such as Stripe or PayPal. These services are essential for our app to function effectively, from mapping locations to process transaction. Next, I'll hand it over to Yusuf.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Yusuf. I am just handling delivery and timeline and MVP of the all the apps. And in recommendation and future work, we see huge opportunities for growth. Future plans include a powered restaurant recommendations, loyalty programs, and also we can maybe after in future the client maybe add prayer times and all the other things. Partnering with halal certification bodies will make halal hop the global standard for halal dining. In conclusion, we can say that to wrap it up, halal hop isn't just an app; it's a peace of mind of halal diners. It solves a real growth problem and open doors to massive business potential. And it's a great idea, great app for every and each Muslim who is residing in Australia. Thank you for your time. We would love to hear your feedback and answer your questions. Thank you so much.